Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in this session we will discuss about Google Analytics. What Google Analytics is all about, how Google Analytics works, what are the features that Google Analytics offers to the users. Let's get started with it. What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a tool that helps companies to study, monitor and analyze users' behavior on the website and provide the analytical information to the website publishers so that they can take informed decisions based on the user behavior people are coming to the website. The most important thing that you need to remember is when you have a website, when the website generates traffic for you, that traffic need to be analyzed, where the people are coming from, how much time they are spending and what are the pages that they are viewing. And this information is provided by Google Analytics free of cost. How Google Analytics actually works? Insert Google Analytics code on every page of the website. What happens is when you have a website, that website must be integrated with Google Analytics code. Now, if you go to googleanalytics.com page and you actually register there and register your website, provide the kind of information that is required during the registration process, Google Analytics will provide you a unique code, a code of about 4 to 5 lines. That is a unique code generated by Google for your website. What you need to do is you need to take that code and insert that code on every page of your website. And this helps actually in Google Analytics to make the kind of information that is required by the user, and that information is provided by Google based on the code that you insert on every page of the website. When the users come to the website, what are the pages that the user are visiting, how much time they are spending, from which country, which location they are coming, the entire data is stored and processed by Google, and it provides you the information required by you in a methodical manner. Serves reports on Google Analytics. When you log into the page, into the Google Analytics page, it provides you the complete and comprehensive information in terms of number of people who are coming to the website per day, from which country they are coming, how much time they are spending, what are the pages they are visiting, and what is the bounce rate, people are jumping out of the website without actually going into the internal pages. The entire information is provided by Google to help you take informed decisions and improve your website performance. What are the features of Google Analytics? How many people are visiting the website per day, per week, per month? The entire information is provided by Google for you. Where do the visitors live? What are the countries, what are the cities users are coming to the website? Which other websites send traffic to the website? When traffic comes to the website, traffic may come from multiple sources. It will come from Google or from some other search engine, or if the link is available on some other external website, people are clicking on that link and coming to your website. And what are those websites where the traffic is coming from? Which marketing tactics drive the most traffic to a website? You may have different pages that you are testing so that you can understand which particular page or landing page is generating the kind of traffic required for you. You can actually find out by tracking the results in Google Analytics. Which pages on the website are the most popular? You may have 100 pages, 150 pages, or 200 pages. You are offering different services, solutions and products to your customers. Now you can find out which are the most viewed pages on your website through Google Analytics. How many visitors got converted into leads and customers? This is very, very important. The traffic is coming to the website, the traffic is converted into leads, and leads are converted into customers. You can track and find out what is the lead that is generated in a day, in a month or in a week, and what are those leads are converted actually into customers. This can be tracked. Which blog content visitors the most likely to visit? And if you have a blog on the site, you can actually track how many visitors are coming to the blog and what are the posts they are actually reading and visiting. Places the converting the visitors belong. what are the different places, countries, cities, geographical locations that the visitors are coming to the website. These are highly essential features that Google provides you, Google Analytics provides you in helping you improve your website performance so that you can take informed decisions, update your website, optimize your website to generate high quality traffic to your website. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is Google Analytics, how Google Analytics works, and what are the different features of Google Analytics. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.